Good morning vlog. Happy December 12th. I've like lost count of the days at this point. We got back from the city yesterday and pretty much just kept it very chill. We were all so tired. Our mom really wasn't feeling good. She had a fever and had some sinus stuff going on, so she slept the whole day. We watched TV and ended up sleeping for a little bit too. But today we are back to regularly scheduled programming. I made my coffee. I made a failed macchiato, as you saw. And we actually got some orders on Depop over the weekend. One was right before the weekend, and we told her we're going to be away for the weekend, so we will ship it out on Monday morning. And then we got one we got it during the Broadway show, because I turned my phone on after and saw the notification. Very exciting news. So today you're going to come with us to package and ship our Depop orders.
We'll show you the whole process, you know, steaming the garment, making sure it's ready to be shipped, putting the free goodies in, doing the PayPal shipping label, all that jazz.
Writing our little cards. Did we bring home the...
We have cards here.
Our mom made chicken soup this morning and it smelled so good, so I want some chicken soup after this, I think.
I had hot chocolate for breakfast.
Chicken soup for lunch.
I don't know what I was thinking. It was delicious, but my stomach kind of hurts.
The Trader Joe's hot chocolate. It was the one I was using in the city with the dark chocolate covered marshmallows.
Yeah, I melted the marshmallows and it was like a marshmallow topping.
We're not feeling or looking the greatest today, but as Queen says, the show must go on.
This is true. Joshua's gonna be on Ellen. I love him.
This part of our home might not look familiar to you. It's our studio, so to speak. It's where we keep all our clothes for Depop, where we organize things. Well, you can't see, but there's a rack there of all of our stuff. But first we'll show you what our customers bought. One girl bought 2 items which we're so excited about. It was a North Face coat that we've been waiting to sell for a while. And then the other girl bought like a limited edition Free People shirt. And yeah, so just come with us. Why don't we show you?
So we have her North Face coat packed up.
Normally we just use a poly mailer, but obviously this is a bigger item, so we're putting it in a box.
We are being sustainable by using a box that we already have, because with the holidays you just have so many things coming, so we like to save our boxes so we don't have to go out and waste money or supplies on new ones. I already have it folded up, but we'll put a picture on the screen of what the coat looks like, you know, like when we modeled it. Because this is a more expensive item, usually we do like 1 free gift per item, so we thought it would be nice to give her these like kind of gray taupe teddy mittens as a free gift with purchase. Also because we had to message her and said we were shipping it out later than we like would have liked to ship it out. We thought maybe we could throw in this beanie as like an extra goodie.
This was our second item. We'll also put a picture of it on the screen when we shot it, just so you guys have a better idea of what it looks like.
You can't steam either the faux suede or like kind of the sateen jacket material, but normally we would like to steam a garment before we kind of pack it up and send it off so it arrives really nice. So these are the bags we normally put them in. They're just like kind of like a
burlap.
I almost called it a potato sack. A potato sack material.
The first one we'll show you is the one that actually came with the necklace. We shot it with the necklace and it said free with purchase on the post.
And I think this is a nice option as a free gift, because if you see on the back, there's 3 different size options.
Yeah, I would say that's the one.
Yeah, I think it goes with both outfits, the necklaces, and I saw she had some leather goodies and she had gold, so I think it'll really go with her style.
So we're gonna take that one away and that's gonna be our winner. So into the burlap sack it goes. Let's go find our cards. We always like to put a little note in saying thank you for your purchase. What we have to do now is print the shipping label. We're not going to show that obviously because it has her personal information on it. So we're going to do that and then do the same thing for the other order. We wrote the card and we're just going to pack it up, weigh it, figure out the shipping, print the shipping label, and then we'll bring it to the post office to ship. We really taped her in quite well. We normally don't do boxes, as we said, so we did all around here, anywhere there was an edge, we did here obviously, to make sure that as a customer, obviously she feels comfortable knowing that her package was secure in shipping.
I recommend using a food scale, especially for smaller items. So this you could probably put on just like a normal scale, but sometimes a scale won't register like just a couple ounces, and you have to do a specific measurement to get the shipping taken out. 4 pounds and 6 ounces.
Not bad.
If we ship them both separately, it would take the shipping cost out of both of them.
Yeah.
But we'll put it for the North Face, so it just takes the shipping cost out of that item. but it's really both.
Okay, sounds good. Our one package is boxed. We showed you that, obviously. It's taped up. Shipping label's on there. The other shirt and little free gift that we gave that I showed, that one is not packaged up because we can't find our poly mailers anywhere. So we're just gonna get one at the post office, but we did print our shipping label. So we're all set. We're gonna head over there, get those packages out. We tried to get them with the least expensive, but still good enough shipping where they're gonna get them as soon as possible.
So we both benefit.
Exactly. So I'll put the shipping cost of each package on the screen just so you guys know. We marked the box, which is 2 items, as one package so that the shipping is the correct amount, but it doesn't get taken out twice, if that makes sense. So that is what we paid for shipping. And yeah, we will see you guys after the post office. Okay, so as you can probably tell if you're watching this, I am running a little behind on Vlogmas. It has proven to be more difficult than you would imagine. The schedule of both filming and editing every day is not easy to adjust to, and I really wanted to enjoy our weekend while also getting good content, so I took a bit of a break from editing while I was there. That was fine. I just wanted to enjoy the time with my family. All that being said, I obviously fell behind, but I'm trying to catch up as quickly and swiftly as possible. So I just posted Vlogmas Day 9 because after we got back from the post office, got both packages out, I edited that to get that posted, and that took a lot of time, so I just had a quick dinner, had some soup because our mom made soup. It was delicious. And now I'm going to begin editing the city vlog, which I'm really excited about. We are making cookies. We wanted to make some really Christmassy cookies, but today we just wanted them to be fast. We're gonna save the sugar cookie version of these cookies for another day of Vlogmas and make them really Christmassy with icing and sprinkles. You could even like cut them out and
Make snowman?
yeah, make little shapes. Isn't that cute?
I want to make a snowman.
They are gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, all that good stuff. 30 to 50 minutes for a soft and chewy cookie, 16 to 18 for a crispier cookie. So we're making some of these while we watch The Voice.
Also, what's really good about these is because there's no eggs in them, you can eat the dough just raw. So if you need like a cookie dough moment.
That's what I was thinking. If you ever just like wanna.
I think they sell them in like a Tupperware where you can just eat the dough. Like it's made to
I bet you can even make a cookie cake with them.
Or like a sundae. Like a little like a cookie dough sundae.
Highly recommend them if you haven't tried them. They're very good. So yeah, we're just watching The Voice, eating our cookies, and I'm editing. Oh my god, they smell so good.
I know.